Jag, how do you find the courses sa mga pinutukan mo na?
So far, challenging yung courses. No? Daming swingers. Hindi lang swingers, malalayo pa. Kaya medyo technical.
Okay, for you, sa mga naputukan mo na ngayon, which is the hardest stage?
I think yung third stage na pinutukan namin na 14 rounds siya. Pero 6 swingers. 6 swingers. Tapos yung mga swingers malalayo pa. And medyo mabibilis.
Ano yung pinakamadaling stage naman?
So far yung may stage na atras ka. Medyo may malayong target pero majority ng target medyo malalapit and open sa lahat. Sana magkaroon ng maraming shoot for a cause dahil unang-una nakikilala yung shooting industry. At the same time, natutulungan yung mga less fortunate na mga medyo hirap sa buhay.
Sa Course of Fire talagang pinag-aralan namin yan para maging maganda sa lahat ng shooters. Actually, some of the shooters questioning about the rounds, number of rounds. Bakit 92 rounds lang? Sabi ko, pagdating na lang ninyo ng shoot fest, malalaman ninyo bakit 92 rounds lang. And then, this is the second day, August 23. Ngayon, nalaman nila, hindi lang pala 92 rounds. It's more than 92 rounds. Kasi marami kaming mga swinger, mga target na hindi mo aakalain na mahihit mo ng 2 beses lang.
Stand by!
Stage 5, the hardest one. Masyadong maraming swingers na malalayo. About 25 meters and 30 meters. Kaya mahirap putukan ng ganun kung masyadong malayo. Well, unang-unang maganda. Makakatulong sila. Imbis na ipondo na lang nila sa kanila, sinishare nila sa mga nakangailangan. Mas maganda yon, hindi selfish ang pasyut nila.
Stand by!
Good morning, Pinoy Gunners. I'm with Mika Mendoza of QCRPSA or Quezon City Rifle Pistol Association. And Mika, how do you find the Course of Fire?
I've only shot 2 of Course of Fires, and so far it's one of the best that I've actually gone through. And compared to the others, parang mas challenging yung tas masaya rin kasi konti lang yung bakal. Doon ako nahihirapan lagi. Like, a while ago. And then, there, I like it. I like the Course of Fire.
Which is the hardest stage on the...
Well, the second one, stage 3, I think, it's harder because it's longer than the first one.
Did you commit any errors in any stage?
And, well, I have this thing that every time I play, there's always an error. So that the next time you play, it's gonna be better. I always think that there's always something wrong with how I play. So that the next time, like, I'll improve on my time, I'll improve on my moves and everything. Yeah, I always make mistakes. But like, a while ago, like the first one, my first stage was, yung nag-jam, hindi ko na kaya I didn't finish it.
Okay.
And then the second one naman, yung plate na naman.
Oo nga, nagtagal ka nga.
Yeah. And then after that, di ba, pagka nagkamali, bibilisan ko na lang dun sa next. To make up for it.
What can you say about this event by Team Alpha, Shoot for a Cause?
Well, compared to the others, kasi yung iba naman nagpapalaro lang kasi wala lang. It's not for someone else. And I think, kaya rin sumali kami ni Coach dito kasi usually when we pag sumasali kami sa games, Coach will ask me, gusto mo ba salihan to? I mean, diba kung ano mo. And then I was thinking that it's a shoot for a cause. So sabi ko, why not? So ko, let's go. And then, yeah, I think it's really nice na nakakatulong pa. I mean, nag-enjoy at the same time, natutulungan din yung ibang tao.
Do you have a boyfriend?
Yes.
Sorry, guys. Kasama ko ngayon si Lloyd, rifle shooter, member ng Pinoy Guns and Team Alpha. Lloyd, what can you say about the event by Team Alpha? Organized ba or maganda ba ang course of fires natin?
Yes, actually organized siya, maganda. And then yung course of fire medyo challenging kasi medyo mahirap yung mga position na ginawa. Merong side prone, and then dito, puro halos lahat prone. Nakalimutan ko nga mag elbow pads, kaya gantong nangyari sa elbow ko. And then, ayun, challenging ang stage. And then yung tiles, 4x4 sa 60 yards. And then, ayun, naka-red dot lang ako, so medyo challenging siya.
You are shooting rifles?
Rifles, yeah.
Okay. Sasali ka ba sa mga pistol matches?
Yes, pagkatapos ng rifle, pistol naman ako, production.
What can you say about this course?
Yun nga, kailangan tama yung position nung legs mo pag nag-prone ka kasi procedural ka pagka lumagpas ka dun sa line. Pagka nag-prone ka, mali yung diniretso mo yung katawan mo, lalagpas yung legs mo. So, I have to position myself para hindi lumagpas.
Okay. Did you commit any errors sa laro mo?
Errors, wala naman dito sa first stage. Yung bipod ko lang, medyo nag-stuck dun sa damo. So, nung pag-move ko, ayaw mag-move. So, I have to lift it up para dun sa target.
Ayos, idol na kita. Pumapatol ka ba sa bading?
Oo, ano ako chick boy ako Pwede sa chick, pwede sa boy.
At dyan po nagtatapos ang range report ko. Melbu of Pinoy Guns, nagpapasalamat po sa Team Alpha dahil sa napakaganda nilang fun shoot for a cause. Sana po lahat ng fun shoot natin ganito, nakakatulong tayo sa ating kapwa. So, once again, Melbu of Pinoy Guns, maraming salamat po. Ulit!